good evening. Why is this camera doing this to me? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you watch this video. No, it's not a happy. Merry Christmas Eve or Happy Christmas Eve. However, if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you know G, welcome back to my channel. Your girl been on this here Trader Joe's kick for a minute. Now, I'm gonna explain. The gingerbread cookies was did I post that video? I don't remember. But if I do, I'm gonna put it on the shorts. It wasn't all that great for me to post. Anywho, so with that being said, we are here now doing, because it's Christmas, I wanted to do the chocolate peppermint loaf and baking mix. So you can either make cookies with this or a loaf. I prefer to do the loaf. So we're gonna put in my little loaf thing here. So four or five ingredients. You have the mix, 1 large egg, cup of water, a stick of butter melted, and grease the pan. I have no idea why I have this one here. So, and then we're going to use my mixer. Now the ingredients says, without my glasses, in a medium bowl, mix egg, water, and butter combined. We're going to pour it into my mixer. Then we're going to crack the egg. My oven is already preheated for 350. It's preheating. Like little mint chips in it. I mean, it has peppermint chips in it. bless you.